Under the subject of Quality, Reliability and Engineering of a degree semester 7 in Mechanical Engineering department, today we are going to see the experiment number 11, which is a case study on failure repair process. So, failure repair process is a systematic approach used in industries to identify, analyze and rectify equipment or process failures effectively. The objective is to minimize downtime, improve reliability, and enhance overall productivity. This case study focuses on the implementation of a failure repair process in an automotive component manufacturing unit to address the machine breakdowns. So let's first understand what is the problem. This case is carried out in ABC Components Private Limited, which is mid-size manufacturer of precision automobile parts, including gear housings and crankshaft components. So the company operates 24/7 with 50 CNC machines across multiple production lines. In recent months, frequent breakdowns in CNC machines led to the reduced output and increased maintenance cost. The problem statement is every average machine downtime is 6 hours per week per machine. Maintenance cost increased by 25% over 6 months. Frequent failure of spindle motors and hydraulic systems. Lack of systematic failure tracking and root cause identification. So the management decided to implement the failure repair process to identify the different causes and reduce these failures. So in implementation stages, let's first see the first step is failure identification. So operators were instructed to immediately record any failure in the maintenance logbook. Failures were also categorized in terms of the electrical failure, mechanical failure, hydraulic failure, and human error. So based on these categories, the failures were. Step 2 is failure reporting. A digital reporting system was introduced to log the type, duration, and frequency of failures. Each event triggered an alert to the maintenance department. Step 3 is a root cause analysis, which is very much important step. In this, cross-functional team conducted the root cause analysis using fishbone diagram for problem mapping, 5 why analysis to trace the cause to its origin. For example, there is a problem that CNG spindle motor is failing. So what is the root cause? It is due to inadequate lubrication. So why inadequate lubrication? Because the pump is malfunctioning. Why pump is malfunctioning? Because blocked oil filter. Why blocked oil filter? Because of poor maintenance schedule. So this will lead to the main cause of the problem. So in step 4, which is repair and restoration, based on the root cause analysis findings, the standard operating procedures were revised, predictive maintenance was introduced, faulty lubrication systems were replaced, and automatic alarms were installed. In step 5, verification and monitoring, after repair, each machine underwent a trial run under standard load conditions. Data was monitored for 3 months to ensure failure recurrence was eliminated. In step 6, which is last step, documentation and preventive action. All findings were documented in failure repair database for future reference. Preventive maintenance intervals were also revised from every 500 hours to the 300 hours of machine operation. So based on this implementation, let's see how much benefits the organization have achieved. So average downtime per machine before FRP, it was 6 hours per week, which was reduced to 1.5 hours per week. Maintenance cost monthly was also reduced from 1,20,000 to 85,000. The frequency of spindle motor failures was also reduced from 8 per month to 2 times per month. Production efficiency also increased from 82% to 95%. So, based on this case study, we can conclude that the structured implementation of FRP process has helped ABC Components Private Limited in transition from reactive maintenance culture to a proactive one. Systematic identification, root cause analysis, and preventive measures significantly improve plant efficiency and reduce operational costs. This case demonstrates that a well-organized FRP not only repairs failures but also prevents their reoccurrence.